right, so I've just been alerted on the new update on TikTok ad, and so I want to do this video to help you know how to navigate it. All right, so if you're my student, you already know how we do it. So from time to time we update the material so that you can still make progress with your ad, right? So I'm going to be uploading a video, so let me get to my home.
There is so much change happening.
Let me reduce this. Then I'll go to search. To make it easy, let's go with TikTok ad because that's the video I want to promote now. So I'll go to hashtag. That's the option I want to use. I take the first one. Then I go to join this hashtag to now bring in my video. Okay. All right, it's looking at the other side of my camera. Okay. No need showing my face, so I will go straight to bring in my video. Okay, put it on video and then select this one. Next. Okay, now let me title this video TikTok ad. TikTok ad. For business owners. Okay, so probably I will use a font. Let me use a font that will bring everything together. This one can. Okay, and then okay, I think that's okay. There's another one I would have used this one, so that I can put something under. Okay, so that's it. I can change the color of those to probably red or something. Yeah, I think this is okay, or red. Okay, so this is okay, so that it will hook the eyes of the beholders, right? So let's reduce the duration. I don't want it to take the length of the video, so I'll reduce it to this point. Yeah, that's okay. I'll quit. Okay, so let's continue next. Okay, so this we selected the hashtag TikTok ad, so I'll put my cursor at the edge here and then type in any letter at all so that I can bring down this. And so I'll clear it off. That's how, if you want to just paste something there, it wouldn't. So that's how to do it. So I'll now click here and then paste what I have typed as description for this video. Let me adjust it. Now, I didn't look at those descriptions very well because sometimes issue with your ad will come from the description. Okay, maybe some words that were used there or even hashtags. So it's important, but no worries. My job here for now is to get to the new updates. But if there happen to be any issue with this particular ad, I will resolve it. But let's proceed. So here I will go to edit cover. I'll still put TikTok ad for businesses, so our business owners. Let me use all cap TikTok ads for business owners. I think I have to refer to what I wrote earlier to be sure that I'm grammatically correct. Yeah, just a moment. Let's take it back. Okay, let's save this first. Let me put a background to it from here. Okay, and adjust this those way, just to balance. Okay, I still didn't balance well, so I think I'll push it one more time and one more time from this end. Okay, I think he has balanced. But I needed a face of a lady here. There's a lady I used this lady. Yeah, let's see. Left lady. I need to take it back, but let's save it first. Let's see what happens to know whether would okay, it captured it. So let's return just a step to be sure that, okay, TikTok ad for businesses. No, you see, that's why I said it just occurred to me that I could have made a mistake. So not businesses owners. And you saw it, you didn't tell me. Don't mind me. Okay, so we are moving forward, making progress. Okay, so everything is still intact. We're not going to use any music, and of course, you know, when you're running ad, you should be more careful about the music you use. So let's go to I accept the music usage confirmation, even though there's no music here. Okay, yeah, I added the music from where I edited the video, not here, not from TikTok. Okay, so I think everything is okay at this point in time. All I will do now is to hit post. What else? I'm just thinking if there's anything I needed to adjust in the cover. Let me see, just give me a moment, just a moment. Let me see if there is a better place in this cover. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think here is okay because it also captures TikTok ad. Okay, I think this is okay. Let's leave it at this. Yeah, this is better because I'm trying to talk about my YouTube channel where I discuss some TikTok ad tips for free. Okay, so now I will go to post. Sorry, I made a mistake. I'm not supposed to post this directly. So, but nonetheless, let's allow it to finish. The moment it finishes, I will do something. Sorry. Just let's allow it to finish first. It won't be long. Okay, so we're still waiting just a few minutes. Please. Let me refresh the network once again. It's 99. So, okay, I think it's done. It's done, yeah. So, let's see the video. That's it here, okay? So, let me refresh here and do what I needed to do quickly. Sorry. Okay, so I'll click on the video because I made a mistake. So I'll click the three dots down here and then I'll scroll this way. Then I'll click on this delete button as though I want to delete it, but I won't delete it at the end of the day. So I'll use the first option, delete and re-edit. So that's the option that I want to go for. Okay, so it will load and then I'll be able to adjust what I needed to adjust. Okay, so while it gets us there, what I needed to adjust is the add only. Okay, how to set this particular video so that it does not interfere with the original content I have on my page, because this is basically a page I use to share on relationship. Okay, so let's proceed now. We'll get to that place. Every other thing is still intact. So what I would have done at this point was to, when I came here, to click on more options and then scroll like this, content, disclosure and ads. Click on it, so allow it to load, and then I want to make it ad only, so it will not be visible to my followers, okay, current followers, but they might see it as an ad, but they can't see it on my page. So the option we're going for is this one. Don't show on TikTok profile. That's the option. So I've clicked on it, confirm, save. All right, so close down this and then we post it now. Okay, yeah, we're posting. So hopefully this one will go faster, and then we will get to the promotion aspect to see the latest updates, okay, that TikTok has. Just a few moments, we're there. Should I adjust the network? Let me do one more time. Okay, I'll release it again. Just to refresh my network. That's the simple way, or one of the ways to refresh your network, okay? Just turn on your flight mode and turn it off again. All right, so let's see if it progresses faster. So once it's done, we'll head straight to the ad section, okay? So we'll go to run ad with this, and we see the new updates. That's the measure interest I have in this video we are doing today, right? Okay, wanted to say tonight, but it's not yet night, and for some persons it's not night where you are, so let's call it day. Okay, so it's almost done, 99%. Cool. The video is uploaded. Yeah, there's a sign that he has uploaded. It's supposed to even come up at once, but let's not wait for that. So the video is here now, okay? So, but it has to give us that note ad only. It's not supposed to be that visible. I have some other videos like that. If I scroll down here like this, okay, this is still loading. I will have shown you, okay? All right, so can you see ad here, AD on the video here? That's what I adjusted. So I click on the video now, and then I'll click on the three dots here, okay? And so we go to the promote button. I want to commence the promotion at once. Normally I wouldn't do that. If you're in my class, you understand what I'm saying, okay? But then I lose nothing, okay? So this is a get sales ad. I want to get sales with this. Not more phone call. We don't need phone call. I think I'll prefer WhatsApp. So let's use messaging and use this option. Yeah, this is the option we go for, even though it costs more, but not an issue, okay? So we come down here and we go to customize, and then we take it from here, okay? It's for both male and female. Let me not adjust the interest, but if you're in my class, you know I talked about interest, okay? But sometimes we leave it that way. Okay, so if you notice, you won't see coin anywhere again, and that is where the update lies, or what the update is about. TikTok now makes it that you don't use coin again. So let's see how they want us to pay. So this is budget of 2,900. Let me set it to 2,500. Okay, I want to make it for just 2 days, so that would take 5,000. Okay, for just 2 days. I think I have some money before, so let me click here to be sure. Yeah, it's supposed to be 5,000, but then I have about a balance of 1,000 something, so they are now charging me 3,000 something, right? Is there anything I've not adjusted? No? Okay, now there are a lot to learn here. So if you're in my class, we've covered most of this, so there's no point talking about them. So let's proceed to payments, which is where we have it. So there's no coin again, just the amount you'll see. It's showing paying now. So it brings us here. And so I'll select credit card. Okay. Okay, so this is the new updates from TikTok. Okay, so what they have done now is to make it in such a way that you pay with your credit card. So what I will do at this point in time is to enter my credit card details. Okay, so once I enter those, I will be good to go. Let me screenshot here in case it doesn't cover. Okay, so I don't have my card here. When I get home, I will do that. Okay, so what you need, I think, is much better now, because you can, even with a virtual card, fill up this. Once you are done, you can see confirm. You hit confirm. If everything is in order, your ad should be processed, and then it goes under review. Okay, so with time, if it passes the review stage, it will go active, right? So I'll finish up with this much later, maybe when I get home to pick up my card. Okay, so that's it. I think it's easier now, so there's no need buying coin again. That's the latest update on TikTok ads. Okay, so I'll see you in another video. By the way, if you've not joined our class, TikTok ad mastery class, you are doing yourself a lot of disservice, because a lot have been shared there that will benefit you. Don't waste your money running TikTok ad. Go learn how to do it better. Okay, so you can see other videos that I have on my YouTube channel, Profit Leverage, on how to run TikTok ad. Those ones are for free, but if you want something that is more in-depth, then you've got to join that class. And do let me know if you are ready to join the class. Okay, so I'll see you in the next upload. And if I happen to complete this video to add my cards, I'll also show you much later the outcome of it at the end of the day. So see you in the next video.